Today, more than ever, your eyes are on the spotlight. Have you ever tried the new Inhibit Retinol Eye Lift? It is an amazing product. It contains so many things you can do with it. I use it by night, and it can also be used by men. So there you go, guys. You can try it too. So you open it, and it's ceramic, and it's very fresh texture. And it has so many uses. I will go and show them to you. Do you want to see it? Let's go. First, for a firming effect. There you go. A little bit, and you apply in several points under your eye, and you go on the eye like this. Down, firmly on the eye, and all the way around. All the way around. For lifting effect, that would be great for a lifting effect. You go from here on this direction all the way here. Again, from down here all the way under the eyebrow, and you can do it on the other direction too, like that. There you go. And on the eyelid, just like this. To mitigate the signs of tiredness, if you're really tired, we're going to do a circular massage, just like that, all the way. You do it to contour all the eye. And then you can go and have a bumping massage, which would be more like this. Just a little bit with your fingers, turn it around, going all the way here and all the way up. To smooth your wrinkles, that's a good one. Hold them here and you just massage round and round all those little wrinkles. Just feel very good. Just like that. And finally, if you want to boost your product, you can use your fingers. Your fingers, you can use the circle massage under your eye like this, all the way up, and you're done. And you're ready to go. I hope you liked it.